Welcome to my home lab. In this new video we're gonna install a private Docker registry. We start on the site Docker Hub. Official images, registry. See here some information, how to start it. We're gonna use latest, registry latest. Therefore, we open terminal and do SSH. SSH, username and the IP address from the server. Enter, password. And we're in. First thing we do is to look the Docker version. See it here, 28.0.4 from the latest version. Then we look to the images. Here we see the images from previous videos. Container agent, SAB NZBD, Nginx, Hello World, Glances and Yacht. We can also look to the containers, and you see it here, all the containers are running, except Hello World is not running. Now we pull the latest registry image. See, Docker pull registry latest. And we pull it from this website. Enter. See, downloading. And it's already finished. Now we can run the image, Docker run, remove it after we stop using it, port 5000, name registry, image registry. So we use this one. Enter, and you see we are in. Now we can look everything is working. We go to the IP address from the server and port 5000. And you see we have nothing, but we have no error. So it means registry is working. Now we can go to catalog. See version 2 catalog. Enter, and you see the registry is empty. Repository is empty. Now we go back to our terminal. For the next step, we open a new tab. SSH again, username, IP address, 26, password, and we're in. The first thing we do is to pull a new image. I choose Nginx, so Docker pull Nginx. We pull it from the Docker Hub website. You see, it's downloading and take a minute. Downloading is almost complete. Extracting already. And it's finished. The next step is to change the image. So Docker tag Nginx, this one, to Nginx with IP address from the registry, port a name. You can choose whatever you want. I choose my Nginx, and a version. Also, you can choose whatever you want. I choose 1.0. Enter. It's finished already. Now we push the image to our registry with the command docker push. Again, the IP address from the server, the port, the name. This one needs to be the same, and the version also 1.0. But we see we have an error. If we want to push to a registry, we have to select HTTPS. But we don't have that with our local registry. We do HTTP, so we cannot do that. How we fixed it? We go to the Docker directory. cd etc docker. We do ls, and we see the directory is empty. We need to create a file called daemon.json. So if you have the file already, we need to add a line. If we don't have the file, we need to create a new one. Password, because we use sudo. And you see, it's a new file, it's empty. We need to add one line in secure registries. We choose to localhost port 5000 and the IP address port 5000. That's all we need. Exit, save it, yes. And voila. Now we need to reload the file. The next command, sudo systemctl daemon reload. Enter. And restart our Docker. Not the registry, but Docker. See, sudo systemctl restart Docker. Enter. We go to our first tab. You see, the registry is stopped. We need to rerun it. Again, run, port, name, and voila, the registry is starting up again. Now we can push. You see here, docker push, the port, the name, and the version. We do it now, and you see it's working now. We are pushing the image from our local Docker to the registry. It's finished. Now we go here and open a new tab. You see the IP address, the port, v2, version 2, catalog. Here, voila, we have our first image in the registry, my Nginx. We have a second command to view the tags. Again, new tab, paste it. See here, IP address again, port, v2, my Nginx, tags, list. And you see name, my Nginx, and the tags. You see that before, 1.0. This is the end of this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. See you later. Thank you very much.